Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are installed on this device, and I highly recommend to go through all of those apps and remove cache. So let me enter the app, for example, maybe Gmail. Just tap on it, and after entering the specific app, we have to tap on the usage. So the section usage, and tap on storage. So here we've got the section cache, and basically cache are junk files which are usually saved by your device. They are not necessary to use the app, but they are still occupying the memory, even though they are not necessary. So I highly recommend to remove them. Simply tap on clear cache here, and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend to tap on clear data unless you want to remove everything connected with this app. So this is how to clear the cache. And another thing which you can do in order to speed up your device is to go to device care. So it should be right above the apps. Let's tap on it, and here we've got different sections which we can choose, which we can use to optimize our device. We can begin with the storage. So here we've got the internal storage, and we've got the sections like, for example, the trash or unused apps. So I highly recommend to go to the trash, for example. Here we've got my files or gallery. Okay, so here I will choose my files, and basically you can just select them and remove. Let's select all of the files, and now we can just tap on delete all and permanently delete those 11 files, and it will obviously release the memory. Let me go back. Here we've got also the memory. So we've been in the storage, we can go to the memory now. And here we've got another section thanks to which we can release the memory. As you can see, your device will do it automatically. You have to simply tap on clean now, and it will remove, for example, the cache or other files from photos, wallpapers, YouTube, etc. Obviously, you will not delete any kind of personal data or whatever, so no worries. You can just tap on clean now. And here we've got also the auto optimization. But it is connected with the automatic restart. To finish everything, I mean to confirm all of those steps, so removing storage, memory, to removing cache, I highly recommend to soft reset your device, and you do not have to use a special combination of keys. Just unroll the upper panel to open this control center and tap on this power up button. Then let's tap on restart, and your device will automatically restart itself and confirm all of the changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.